Khas Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC baka Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council TTAADC kila penmi ikasur bandan kacing ikran ban lumi borok ki Autonomous District Council ki badan hakeleng ki jela ka Thai North East India kata ban dan lang hakwai ke kenhun ban pynkhlaiñ ikasur cingdawa nak Sarkar India ban ai ki anya da kerpang ki baskem ya ki riewlum hakini ki jela kani kasur kala mi hadin ke jingyalang yemer jingmut hapadang kini arli ki ADC hakumulong headquarter ka TTAADC menakas setiap arpun trek yoyong arjar fly hakabaya ke KHADC dalam khmat duba Tita Starwell Khan CM lamki executive member bakentobi uba Martel and Mukhem ke Congress Mary Karpuri uba Tibor Lang Patau uba Michel Wankar uba Rangkan Sai Karbuki lamki officer nakaliang ke TTAADC pat lai dan lang du Purna Chandra Chamatia CM Ukamal Kalai executive member Uchandra Kumar Chamatia, Chief Executive Officer, Captain GS Rathi, Advisor, Ushankar Debnath, Additional CEO, Bat Ubudhilan Rangkhol, Deputy CEO, Bat Kiwei Pan. Hakapor Jan Miet Pat, Kaladon Kachingalang, Ringkat ki program tenrai, TTAADC Park, Hakabak Belashim Bentaban Kren Nek Jingalang, Kila Pensengawi ki Mat Yakren, ki Belashim Rai, Hakajingalang, Belalong Hakapor Menstam. Hakani Jingalang, Lawan by Don Langru, di MLA Katipra, Bakentobi animation de Barman nongelam kalyang persya hagayeng da bar thawang ke jela Tripura nalau CM ke TTAADC ke executive member nalau kiwei pan ubicoy Kumar Rangkhol president ke the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance Tripura ulong badai uliet Professor Chichi Swell ubola ong eu ban penting kenai ke 6 schedule ha Tripura ban yadai ki riewlum ulong bagdan ki bor ki banabar ki bomut ban penduk pendam ya ki riewlum.
The soil are eliminating today. We have been outnumbered. It's not a created word, it is a fact. So today, when Professor Zizi Swell also explained me about the requirement of 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, till that time we were demanding 5th schedule only. We have no idea. Our regional party was born in 1967, June 10-11. So we started demanding 5th schedule. Had no much idea about the Constitution of India. But today, I'm so proud, I'm so happy. We have numbers of scholars today who can speak about the 6th schedule, although we are not implementing here in Tripura. I'm proud for the northeast states of Meghalaya, especially the Khas Hills and Mizoram. You are implementing in regards to the ownership of the soil and land and customary system also. Here in Tripura, we are influenced by non-indigenous populations' custom. So we don't like to speak about village council also. We say village committee. Village committee is like Reksa Shramik committee, tea stall worker committee. It's a committee, not council. Today, High Court had given 2 times verdict for election of village council, but the state government is not honoring it. When last Home Minister visited, we spoke about it, but they don't mind anything, because we people have to be accustomed of our council. Unless we are really aware about the value of council, our honorable member of the district councils, honorable member of Legislative Assembly, although you are not practiced from your birthhood, from your birth time, from your childhood, but today we are all grown up. And Professor Zizi Swell told me, Mr. Vizoy, you don't go for others, you go for 6th schedule. So I went to his house in Shillong. Then he told me to come to Delhi. When he was MP, he became Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. I met him in Wellesley Road of Delhi. I took 2 of my friends with me, and he organized meeting with Dr. Zakir Hussain, the then President of India. So today we have seen the reality in our state also. So therefore I believe my young friends, those who are involved in the day-to-day administration, day-to-day exercising, whatsoever provision we have under TTAADC, we should popularize about our existence, because in most of the majority tribe in Tripura, like Devarma and others, they are no more practicing about the traditional judiciary. In Jamatia, we can still see about Okra system, and Riang also Chaudhry system. In Tripura, also we see in our Halam, Kuki, Mizo, we find our own traditional system. Still we exercise it in our remote villages. So I believe we should, I respect the decision or some discussion you held at noon, wherein you have agreed that we should sit sometimes once in a year also, inviting all the Northeastern District Council, authorities or leaders, we sit together, because central government is trying to oppress it. And today somebody told me that if Tripura District Council is empowered more, it will be, otherwise it will be other than their own worshipping goddess.
Ka Congress Mary Kharpuri, Executive Member ka Khasiels Autonomous District Council, kalaong ba kachingwan chakani chaka, kalong bani mirchungmot, bani trailang ban pynkhlaiñ ya khrnet ban riu chongkariti sanchar kari India.
We just heard speech of our, sorry, I couldn't get your name, but sir, your speech was like it has taken me aback. It really touched me when you used that word to, I think it's a bit tough for me also to use that word, to eliminate. Eliminate, it's something that I couldn't believe. Well, all of us, you know, we came here with our honorable CEM with a purpose that we should stand together as minorities, and of course to strengthen the 6th schedule, because I feel it's high time that we should strengthen the 6th schedule, because this is the only, say, like weapon we are equipped by the 6th schedule, and we should utilize it in such a way. So like, it really hurts me to hear that over here in Tripura, that you all are not like going according to the 6th schedule. But I'm here tonight with you all to encourage you. I feel it's not too late. There's still time. And I feel we should work together. All the ADCs of the Northeast should be together, join hands together, and work together for the betterment of our tribals, and of course, for the interests of our people, so that, okay, it might not be, with due respect, others will never be able to overpower us. That is the main reason that we are here. And I wish that in days to come, we'll be able to interact more. The interaction program that we had today was very pleasant. We could exchange ideas, both ADCs, and I feel that in future we can exchange more ideas. But the main reason that we are here is that we should know that 6th schedule is our equipment and it's a shield. So I just want to give you a few words like, you don't have to be disheartened. Don't be disheartened. Okay, we cannot be communal. It's not that I'm here, you know, to make it communal. But we have to safeguard our identity.
Uba Martel and Mukim, Executive Member, Ulang Badu Manshwal, Shimnuksa Bakirulum Tripura, kila syak telep agi cek ben riu bom dai riewlum. Ulang bahap bani kran bani teli hab deng riewlum ka than not is kanang bani adai le dia leng bagi kendon ka khrnit ban riu.
Tripura, remind about all those times. I would like to extend my gratitude to our honorable Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills, Autonomous Council, and the honorable Chief Executive Member of Tripura Autonomous Council, that they have this kind of arrangement. Today, we have a very long inter-exchange and discuss about the present scenario of the Autonomous Council in our state and Tripura and other tribal areas in the northeastern India. The basics, as our leader said, spirit of sixth schedule. I would like to say that again and again, that spirit of the sixth schedule is to safeguard, to protect our tribal people in different region, different area of northeastern region.
Chief Executive Member Batitos Tarwal Khan ulang bakumbalong hi Kyrwoh amtang ha Meghalaya ba Tripura lai I ba kila syak ta no da kiwei pat kibor ki banabar ulang barangkam bantau ki an gemulai kran ban yada jing itu kerpang ka khendau ka riti dostor ba kabor ban pentri kami ki an lani ka judiciary system ulang barangkam ban kran ba lo ka jing terwa ka sekolah India ban penggalai ka khrnit ban riu.
We have seen in these days we're starting slowly to be banished or influenced or getting influenced by other culture. So as tribal, we should be proud enough that we are having our own dress, we are having our own language, and we are having our own culture. I have noticed today there are some language which are similar. Your language is similar to our language. I met today one lady. She is taking pan. When I asked her what you are taking, she said kiwei. We also Khasi, we are calling kiwei, to take kiwei. We used to have kiwei a lot. And today, this evening, I saw one instrument. I think that one gentleman is playing in the corner. I think you call it dutara. We Khasi also, we have like that, similar to that instrument, we call it duitara. So this kind of culture, like folk music, like dance, like songs, dress, we should preserve and to promote it even in the national level. We are proud to inform you that our traditional dance, we used to perform it every year, even in the village level. It has been taken as an annual festival for the Khasi. So I think here also, most of your cultural program or cultural rite of your tribe should be performed every year. I used to remember when we spoke about Tripura. As a young boy, I used to join NGO. I used to join Khasi Student Union. I have joined so many organizations. We have a lot of pressure groups in our state, especially in Khasi Hills. Why? These pressure groups, we used to demand from the government from time to time to have a law, to have different law to protect our identity. But we used to give an example. Please excuse me. Look at Tripura. Tribals has been outnumbered. We used to give an example. But today, when I came here, when we have an interaction with the leaders of the Autonomous District Council out here, I feel under your leadership that there is a future for your tribe. This you should take forward, trying to make laws, try to make bills, as we have discussed, to protect your identity in respect of land, in culture, and especially as we have had an interaction with you regarding the judiciary power. Our senior member just now has reminded that you have a judiciary power. So, friends, the purpose that we visit here is not for sightseeing. We came here to have a real interaction. We had that one motive, that as Autonomous District Council, we should get more power. There is a plan from the central government to propose the new amendment of the 6th schedule. I do hope that the Autonomous District Council also here will take active part in your proposed amendment. We from the 3 ADC in Meghalaya, we are taking serious note about this. We have a joint meeting, but I do hope that the joint meeting of all the CEM of the 10 District Council will meet soon, so that jointly we'll have a representation to the central government, how to strengthen our ADC for protecting the rights of the tribal.
Kamal Kalai, Executive Member ka TTAADC, bari page iktanat hel, ulang bah kecingyalang ka por mensengi, kilai kran ba endan kecing kran ba kiwei ki ADC ka Thai North East, bandan kecing yuteli. Ulang ba nakaliang ka TTAADC kala yo cingmot ki babun na KHADC, hakabai dai bi ki an kendau na lor kiwei pan. Ulang ba ka TTAADC kan penyang ru umador jong late CCM Nichols Roy, ubalatip kum kpa jo khnet banrio ka riti sanchar kari India.
Today, what Bikir Uncle Sir has mentioned, every time when he gives the speech, it gives us the tremendous energy and give us loot to work for the betterment of our society. We are on the part. You know, you have already mentioned, sir, that the Tripura is the instance, Tripura is the example that earlier we are the majority, now we come in the minority. We have snatched everything, we have nothing. Today, when the interactions in the main administrative building, we learn so many things, and we got the inspirations from the Khasi Hill District Council that how the Northeast ADC, 10 ADC, we together, the initiative has taken by the Honorable Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hill District that the executive members should be united to the betterment of the old TTAADC of the northeastern state to protect our custom, our land, our identity, our culture. Sir, already we have presented some culture group songs and music and all. Actually, we have arranged a lot of things, but due to the sad demise of our Chief Minister of the Punjab, so we could not entertain that thing. But Tripura is our 19th tribe. Our 19th tribe, we have a typical tribal culture heritage. We have beautiful folklore, folk tale. We have beautiful folk tunes. We have so many cultural diversity in Tripura. You have seen already. But the power, TTAADC, we are exercising. The power, what you are exercising in the Khasi Hill District, now we realize in Tripura, we are nothing. We have to walk far more distance. So you have seen all of our executive members, all of our MDCs are young and energetic. So we are on the path with the leadership of our Maharaja. Now we have started our journey. We will fight. We will be together on all the 10 ADC of the northeastern state. We will be united as you have mentioned, as per your suggestion or your guidance. So the aspirations of our sixth schedule to protect our culture, our identity, our land, the exchange of our view, communications, exchange of our culture, it is more necessary. It will be day to come. We will be more intimacy amongst our council, and your suggestions, and we have already promised you that the James Joy Mohan Nicholas, the founder of the sixth schedule, to install the statue in front of our council. We have discussed already with our chief executive member. We will install it very soon. We receive your invitations, and also for your sir, for your two kind information. We demand some land in New Shillong. Again, I want to repeat you that we demand some land in Shillong, and we propose them to the Khasi Hill District. Also, if you need any land in TTAADC, we are ready. We are ready to give the land. So, TTAADC, now, by the initiation of your leadership, sir, we will be together and we will work together. So, I think it is a golden opportunity. At the day ahead, we will face many problem because the sir has already mentioned the amendment of the sixth schedule is very dangerous to us.
Nagaliang Animesh de Barman, MLA ka Tipra ba nong ilam kaliang persya, ulaang ba Kyrwoh klas dang ban pensawai ka sur, bot ula penpawai ka cingbom suy hapsyu ban bu ikantian member, but they ban tap no the ikantian minister.
All of us, we have to start our journey with council only. And then it becomes a state. I was listening carefully this speech by Honorable CM from Khasi Hills District Council, that he could find the hope in Tripura for our tribes. I'm sure you have seen something, that people have woken up, people started raising their voice, and the infrastructure, the system, with our limited resources. We started in Autonomous District Council here. Probably that has made you to feel that we still hope for Tiprasas in Tripura. My small experience in the council, I almost spent here for 2 years before contesting the last assembly election. I was also Deputy Chief Executive Member of the Council. My first thing, my experience, I have seen that all the district councils in India, we are facing from identity crisis. When you go to Andhra Pradesh or you go to Maharashtra, when you say that I am Deputy Chief Executive Member of a council, they cannot correlate. Out of the experience, now I think the coordination committee, you are talking about 10 district councils in the country. You all will go and meet Honorable Home Minister or Prime Minister of the country. You must raise this point that the word member should be deleted and the word minister should come even for the district council. Why can't it be executive minister? Why can't it be chief executive minister? Minister is minister. Member, this very word does not bring the weight of a politician or the chair. So this would be my suggestion. Second thing, I think Government of India is still not able to understand the problem of the tribal people in the entire Northeast. The motto, the vision behind the creation of autonomous district councils, I think Government of India lost the focus. The reason being, the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi or the Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji, none of them were the people who conceptualized the concept of autonomous district council. We have to remind them.